Salut les amis, welcome to Amouralail show. Today we will prepare something perfect, and that is steak with potatoes. What we will need? We will need salt, pepper, coarse salt, thyme, lovely little potatoes, of course nothing without garlic, butter, and here I have beautiful bone-in ribeye. This beauty, it's exactly 1.6 kilo. Lovely, lovely steak. It's slightly aged, so it will be amazing. First things first, this butter I will put in the fridge. Okay, here I have string, we will need a little bit. And we will tie it a little bit so that we preserve that shape. So we tied it, so when we will sear it and everything, we will have that beautiful shape. Very important is to take the meat out of fridge minimum half an hour, because you don't want to shock the meat. It has to come to the room temperature. Now we will need a little bit of oil. We'll massage a little bit that oil to our steak, both sides. Amazing. And now we'll put the salt. This steak is super thick, it's like 5 centimeters thick, so with the salt we will go generous. Pepper. We will flip it. Same thing here. We will massage it a little bit. Perfect. And we will leave it a little bit outside. Now we will prepare potatoes. These are lovely potatoes. They are washed. And I have little sponge that I just scrape it slightly to clean the skin, but I keep the skin on. So what will we do? We'll just cut them in half, that's all, nothing else. So just in half, clack, that's it. This is lovely variety of potatoes, they are perfect for roasting. Okay, here I have water, cold water, and I'm putting my potatoes inside. For cooking potatoes, or cooking in general, the best is to use coarse salt. So I will put a little bit of coarse salt. So we will slightly cook them, and after we will finish them. And I just want to say one thing. When I prepare the meat, especially this beautiful steak like this one, I always put the oil first. And then I put the seasoning, because then seasoning is sticking super nice, then it penetrates, and that will give us that lovely crust that we want. And also it will help salt, especially the meat will become more tender, more softer. So till this is cooking, leave that on the side to rest. It's already on the room temperature, but that seasoning do the job. Okay, let's check our potatoes. Perfect. Potatoes are done. So I will take the water out. I strain them and I put the cold water just for a little bit to cool them down, because I don't want to cook them more. I want to stop the cooking process. Here I have the beautiful steak which we seasoned on the beginning, and now we will sear it. For searing it, the pan has to be piping hot, I will not put any oil because in the beginning I put oil, so that will give a nice crust. So steak goes in. So when you put the steak, you don't touch it. You want a crust, keep it for good 2 minutes. Now I will flip it. Beautiful. Now I will close the sides. Perfect. And now it goes in oven. Our steak is out of oven. And now we will let it rest. So I will just put it here for the moment. I will put one rack on the bottom of this tray. I will place it inside. And I will put aluminum foil on the top. The best thing you can do for your steak is to let it rest. It's super important, and please take my advice on it. I will let it rest 10 minutes. Till this is resting, we will prepare our potatoes. Here are our potatoes. We have plenty of oil here in the pan, so we don't need to put much, just a little bit. I will prepare one tray for potatoes, and now we will give color to these lovely potatoes. I'm placing them flat surface down because I want to give them lovely color. Now we will put a little bit of butter and thyme. Also, we'll take garlic. And we'll put the garlic inside. Potatoes are perfect. So now we'll take them out. Beautiful. Our potatoes are amazing. Now we will check the meat. While we are resting the meat, we are allowing the juices that are concentrated in the middle come everywhere, and then the meat will be much more juicier and much more tender. So now we will baste that. I'll put just a little bit of oil. Our meat goes in. Perfect. We will take the butter, garlic, and thyme. And now we will cut it. Perfect. Look at how it's beautiful, super juicy. Here I have chimichurri sauce, which goes beautiful with barbecue or steak like this. If you don't know how to make chimichurri sauce, you can always check in my video here. And now I will put chimichurri sauce. Lovely sauce. Now we will try it. Oh my god. This is amazing. Super juicy. And lovely potatoes. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I show you how I make steak with potatoes with lovely chimichurri sauce. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Merci.